Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is just something I got asked quite a bit about resin and what else could you use instead of resin? And because a lot of people do not want to have the smell or the, I said I did it in my room, I have my window open, blah, blah, but, I know a lot of people aren't, I don't think you need my straw there, aren't really cool with that and they don't want to do that. So these are the resin pieces that I had done. I had layered them and I'm just playing, just kind of learning a little bit more about resin. I've made jewelry and that kind of stuff before, and but the layering and the dimensions I'm into, right? And like this, I got 2 layers here, this little girl, little rose, and I'm going to do something else. Okay, so I know, surprise, Mod Podge. Mod Podge has dimensional magic. It is magical delicious. And also the Mod Podge, this is mega glitter in holographic, or hologram rather, and this is what you get. Look at this. Now I did this in a mold. It would be helpful if my mold here. I'm like, where'd my mold go? I just used a regular, mold. See, and I even did a real thin piece. I know, ridiculous, but a thin piece so you can see. It's like, I want to say saran wrap, but it's much stronger. You can see I'm pulling it, and it's just like a plastic because, that's kind of what it is. But it's delicious. It is delicious, and this is just a teeny little piece. I did this with the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. You can see, oh, my hands are not, I am so sorry, my hands are not working today. It's fairly thick. I mean, that's quite a bit done in this mold, and I have some glitter in there, and that's the back. Then I have this, which I want to do another layer. This is the back, but what I did was I put some embossing powder on a piece of paper. I'm so classy. And embossed it. And then I laid it in here and put 1 coat of the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. Now, I'm going to give you a few tips first. This, for whatever reason, like when you go to put it in, it'll be full. Like I put it into the top, it's full. But as it dries, it condenses. Don't know why. It's not a big deal. It doesn't hurt anything. But just know you might have to do a few layers. My advice to you is do very thin layers at a time. You can see this is very thin because you really get a good dry. I know it's a lot and people are like, because with resin, but with these resins that I did, I had to do layers. So I had to like put it in, that's what she said. And I had to, I put some resin in and then I let it sit for like an hour. Then I put these in. And then I poured a little more resin on top. And then I let it sit for another hour or 2. I put this piece in right here. I let it, you know what I mean? And I kept layering. So that's kind of what you want to do here if you want a nice, piece and for it to dry overnight. Sometimes it might take 2 days if you, do it thick. But like I said, this, I mean, look at this. And this is flexible. So I'm going to be using this on fabric because I can poke a needle through and I can sew it on, and I'm going to do a mermaid thing, but that's another video. So all you do is I shake it. It gives it bubbles. I don't know if it's appropriate or not, but I'm just going to do a little here. All I do is I squeeze. Well, nope, not going to squeeze because I did not, come on. I didn't pin it like I should have. I usually put a pin in there, but I get so excited sometimes that, and yesterday was a rough day for me, so, so you just cut it. There. So I put a little bit in here, and I'm going to leave it dry for a little bit, and I'm going to then add the glitter, which, I'm not going to wait and torture you. Here, I'm going to turn it upside down. Boy, you turn me inside out and round and round. Okay. That's how I do it, but you don't have to. Now, let me just tell you some deliciousness. I have this hologram one. I have a lot because I love. This is Mega Glitter. I know I have one sitting here for, yeah, this is the one. Wait, I have another one. I have another one I'm going to pour in there just to show you. You guys know I love these. And then this is extreme glitter. Ugh. Oh, where's Dave? Ugh, can't open it. Gotta wait for Dave. So that's not exciting. But I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyway, you pour it in there. I have gold, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to make a bunch. But anyway, you get what I'm saying because I just can't open it. So we'll do this one again. No big deal. So I just take this and now this has little holes for balls, and I make my own molds all the time. But I would definitely pour in here, not right now because I'm not very good at that at the moment, to make little eyeballs. Oh, my favorite things in the world. I'll do that when I'm done. So let's do this little circle. And I just pour it like that. Or you could take your paintbrush and, you know, because I'm like all about getting, okay. And that's what I do. And that's it. And then you leave it dry. Like I said, in about an hour or so with the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. I do it with resin as well, just so it gets a little firm on the bottom. But you can just put a little bit in, leave it firm, then add the glitter. But let me just show you. I'll show you, because you can do it now anyway. Let's just get some glitter. This is just some red glitter. And this is just how I do it. I go like that. I take the end of, where's my paintbrush go? Here. And I give it a little stir. And I give it a little push. Because ain't nobody mad at a push or a stir. And it's okay if it goes, if you're using a silicone, it's okay because this is thin and that'll just dry. And that gives you another little piece of deliciousness right there. But anyway, you can see. And as it dries, if you want to add more or whatever, go for it. It's yours. This you don't need because any glitter in there because there's already glitter in there. And like I said, then you come out with deliciousness like this. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know down below if you would be interested in just a little giveaway of one of these, because this I go through these like I love these. Not only can you do this with them, but you can put them on paper to make them to make like a resin look over. I mean, there are so many wonderful things you can do with this. So I'm going to be, you know, as the days go on, playing with it, showing you different things because, like I said, obsession right here. And that is about it for today. So, and I'm going to get Dave to open these for me because I can't open them. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Let me know what you guys think about this down below if you would like a small giveaway. I love these. Like I said, if you don't want to, you know, do resin, I mean, you can see how clear that is. If you don't want to do resin, this is definitely a good thing to do. So, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.